Hello, it's Tariff. This is a bug report that I found in Nitrotype. So, December 15th, 2024, I started my day with 118,000 races, and I proceeded to do 100 races and end the day with 118,100 races. Now, whenever I looked at my stats later, it said I had done 101 races in the last 24 hours, which isn't true, and it also showed that I had done 1,501 races for this season, which also isn't true because I started the day off with a current season amount of 1,400 races. I also started this season with a race count of 116,600, which means I should have exactly 1,500 races for this season. Now, after I noticed this, I decided to do some digging in the race logs. You can see here the activity also says 101, but when I go as my all-time race count, it doesn't show that. So, if we go into my race logs, you can see here that race number 10,451, it shows here, is race number 118,100. So logically, that means race 118,000 should start on race log number 10,351. Now, if we go to there, we can see that it's race 118,000 does not start at 10,351. It starts at 10,350. You can see here, this one should have been the starting point, which means in between here and 118,100, I did 101 races, and one of the races was not counted. So I decided to do some more digging to find where the discrepancy was, and I came across these two. If you look at this one, which is 10,420, it says this is 118,070, which is correct. But if we look at this one, the race next to it, which is race number 10,421, it shows that it also registers it as race 118,070, which means race 118,070 was not counted correctly the first time, which means I did 101 races, but it only registered 100 of those races because race 118,070 was counted twice, or wasn't counted as properly at all. Now, me and Vielle came up with a few theories as to what may have caused this bug. So here's some of the possible theories. 1, a bug on the Nitrotype networking site involving a race discrepancy, or more accurately, a server discrepancy, may have been the culprit, as some sort of bug on the server, on the networking site. Another thing could have been the recent API changes Nitrotype underwent in the last 2 or 3 weeks, although this doesn't have a lot of evidence backing it up. It may have also been a reload error, and this one, another theory is that there was a server update due to some downtime in traffic on the servers, and my race was unexpected stress on the servers that they weren't expecting at that time, thus resulting in my race not being counted the first time, which I think holds a lot of merit. I'm not an expert at coding, but I think this one seems more likely than the other ones. But I am not sure what the culprit behind this bug is, but I do know it is a bug. You can see if I log out and log in again, it won't disappear. It'll still be there. Let me show you real quick. But yeah, so that means one race here is missing that should have been accounted for, and I have no idea where that race went. But I just thought I should make this bug report. Hopefully the admins see it, can fix it, or something like that. But yeah, that's about it.